GoodLeap is a financing partner with WEX Field Service Management, allowing you to offer financing options to your customers. In this tutorial, we'll cover the key benefits of GoodLeap Financing, the enrollment process, how to select loan options, the financing application process, your financing dashboard, and how to offer financing on proposals. With GoodLeap Financing, you can expect lightning-fast approvals. The process of offering financing is simple and transparent. Loans are tailored for HVAC and plumbing projects. And GoodLeap will help you scale your business by removing price barriers for your customers so you can increase average sale size and close more deals. As a contractor, you will first need to apply yourself to get GoodLeap financing options into your WEX FSM system. There are minimum requirements to apply. You must have at least 2 years in business, a BBB rating higher than an F, an active and professional website, a minimum of 20 verified online reviews, proof of workers' compensation and general liability insurance, a valid industry-specific license, professional proposals provided to customers with a 3-day right of rescission, and a minimum of 100 completed installs. Contractors applying for GoodLeap will have a hard credit pull. For a contractor's customers, GoodLeap performs a soft credit pull during the application process, and once the loan is funded, the soft pull converts into a hard credit pull. To sign up for GoodLeap Financing, log into your system and go to Settings, Subscriptions, Payment Options, and click on the red plus button next to GoodLeap. If you already have an existing GoodLeap account, you can link it here. Fill out the information. Make sure to also use the drop-down to select the services you provide, and when you're done, click Submit. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email with next steps to check your application status. GoodLeap automatically receives your customer information for review, and once your account is approved and provisioned to connect with WEX FSM, a green approved checkmark will appear on your subscriptions page. For new GoodLeap customers, click the red plus button. At the bottom, click the blue link here. Click on each link in blue to read the terms and agreements. Then check both boxes, enter your name, and click Submit. This will start the application process by asking for your email, then fill out the GoodLeap application and submit. After submitting your application, you will see a yellow icon on the subscriptions page for GoodLeap, indicating that your application is pending. The review process typically takes 7 to 10 business days. Once approved, you will see a green check next to GoodLeap. To monitor the status of your application from the Settings, Subscriptions, Payment Options tab, click on View Details. If the status is pre-underwriting, the GoodLeap team is still reviewing your account. Once approved, the modal will show Approved along with your GoodLeap merchant ID provided by the enrollment team. Once Business Credit Risk approves a contractor, the assigned GoodLeap rep is notified. That rep will reach out to the primary contact via email, text, or phone call to share next steps. There won't be auto-generated emails. This outreach includes letting the contractor know that the GoodLeap program agreement will be sent so their configured account can be created. If you are declined, you will be notified by a GoodLeap rep. Shortly after the GoodLeap rep receives approval notification, they will call you to discuss onboarding. The onboarding training call follows shortly after, depending on scheduling with the contractor. During onboarding training with GoodLeap, you will choose which GoodLeap loan products you want to offer your customers. You can manage these selections anytime through the self-service option in the GoodLeap Origin portal. Once you're approved and loan options have been added to your WEX FSM system, you will offer loans to your customers with the financing calculator. Go to Payment Options, Financing, consumer loan application. Here are some important details to know when offering financing. You need to know the amount to finance, job location state, and select a plan. The job location state is required. You will only see plans if you are licensed to do business in that state. If the state selected does not qualify, no plans will be available. GoodLeap offers an option for the customer to use AutoPay. AutoPay is on by default and gives the borrower a 0.5% discount on the plan's interest rate. You can turn off AutoPay rates with the toggle you see here. GoodLeap offers two categories of loans: home improvement loans and a catch-all for roofing, windows, doors, siding, geothermal, and restoration. The minimum and maximum amounts are specific to the plan you selected, and those amounts are pulled in through the GoodLeap integration. A message will appear if you have selected an amount to finance that is above or below the limit for that plan. Each loan will have a dealer fee. You will see the dealer fee for each plan when you are selecting loans to offer your customers during GoodLeap onboarding. The dealer fee is your cost as the contractor to offer the loan. That is shown on this page as the plan cost. When the loan is funded, the dealer fee will be taken out of the total loan amount, and the balance will be deposited into the bank account GoodLeap has on file for you. Once the required information is set, click Present to enter present mode. This is great for showing your customer the details of the loan before starting the application. When you're ready, click Start Application to continue. On the desktop view, you can search for existing customers or add a new customer from this screen. A home improvement contract must be uploaded for any amount over $25,000. You are required to upload a home improvement contract that is then submitted to GoodLeap as part of the application process. After filling out the loan application, scroll to the bottom and click Submit to GoodLeap. This will bring you to a confirmation page. This confirms that the application link has been sent to the borrower. The applicant receives an email link to complete the GoodLeap financing application on their own device. The borrower can also scan the QR code on their mobile device to complete the application. After your customer completes the application, they will get an email approving or denying the application. If approved, the email will have a blue button that says Get Loan Documents. The customer needs to complete and sign the loan documents. To check loan statuses and next steps, go to Payment Options, Financing, Financing Dashboard. Click the plus button on the left to show additional details about each loan. When the loan status says Ready to Pay, click Accept Payment. This is how you will get funded for the loan. The status will then switch to Payment Pending. Once the loan has been funded, the status will change to Funded. Keep in mind, GoodLeap may reach out to you for a complete certificate of completion before funds are released. For reference, here is a list of GoodLeap loan statuses and next steps. You can offer financing on proposals on both the desktop and mobile app versions of your system. On a proposal, scroll down and click Select a financing product. Select the loan you want to offer. Confirm the details are correct, then click Save. This will add the loan option to the proposal as a recommendation first, and when the customer is ready to apply, click Continue to apply. This will initiate the financing calculator, and you will follow the same steps as before using the financing calculator. Another option is to email the proposal to the customer. After adding the financing product to the proposal, scroll to the bottom of the proposal and click Send. Confirm the recipient, then click Send Proposal. Once received, your customer will fill out or confirm the information on the pages they see and then submit. After they submit, your customer will get a notification that the application was sent to you. You will receive an email that your customer submitted the application, and that application will show up in a draft status on your financing dashboard. Then, from your financing dashboard, you must fill out and submit the project info for the loan application. Click on the plus sign next to the customer's name and click on Submit Application to open the financing application. This will open the next screen. The loan and borrower information are pre-filled with the data submitted on the proposal email. You will enter the project type information and then submit the application to GoodLeap. A confirmation page will display letting you know that the application link has been sent to the homeowner. The homeowner will use that link or scan the QR code to complete the GoodLeap financing application. The same process applies when offering financing from the mobile app. Create a proposal, tap Offer Financing, then select the loan you want to offer. Fill out the information in the financing calculator, then click Save. You will see the loan is now attached to the proposal. From here, you can have your customer apply now if they are there with you, or send the proposal to the customer so they can fill out the application online. Then navigate to the Payments tab and click Financing Dashboard to check the loan status and next steps. As a tip, you can also offer loans through the mobile app without a proposal by going to the financing calculator directly. Go to the Payments tab and tap Submit Loan Application. This will open the financing calculator and you will follow the financing application process we covered in today's video. This integration with GoodLeap is set to improve the financing experience for both you and your customers. By understanding and utilizing these workflows, you can enhance your service offerings, streamline your processes, and ultimately drive sales. For any questions or further clarification on the enrollment and financing workflow, please reach out to customer care. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.